U.S. President Joe Biden will deliver the main equipment of the HIMARS rocket system to Ukraine. Rockets that are predicted to be called advanced rockets can prevent a conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Launching from The Guardian, HIMARS, High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, is a high-mobility artillery rocket system that can hit targets up to 50 miles, 80 kilometers. The rocket can be found multiple precisions simultaneously, which can help level the buildings in Russia. Then, HIMARS M142 system is a modernized, lighter and more agile, wheel-mounted version of the track-applied M270 MLRS, multiple-launch rocket system, developed in the 1970s for U.S. and Allied forces. In units, HIMARS pushes one pod containing 6 227mm guided missiles or one large pod loaded with Army Tactical Missile System, ATACMS, tactical missiles. With relatively few soldiers, HIMARS can get used pods out and load new ones in minutes, without the help of other vehicles. HIMARS would offer Ukrainian forces the ability to strike further behind Russian lines, and at a more protected distance from Russia's own long range. The GPS-guided missile fired by HIMARS has a range now of twice that of the U.S.-supplied M270 Howitzer to Ukrainian forces. Some analysts say HIMARS could be a game-changer for Ukrainian troops who are currently struggling under Russian artillery fire. According to Defense, HIMARS was made at a cost of $700 million or around Rp. 10 trillion. What HIMARS will allow them to do is get a bigger standoff. Currently, the howitzers we provide have a range of around 30 kilometers. HIMARS have more than double the range, which will support them, said Colin H. Call, the Pentagon's Deputy Secretary of Defense. This is a precision-guided system with an extended range. For high viable targets, which support them to withstand pressure from Ukrainian forces on the front lines, we think this system will be very useful, Call said. Meanwhile, the 4 HIMARS systems, the latest equipment package for Ukraine from the U.S. also includes 5 counter-artillery radar systems, 2 aerial surveillance radars, 1,000 Javelin and 50 command launch units, 6,000 anti-armor weapons, 15,155mm artillery shells, 4 Mi-17 helicopters, 15 tactical vehicles, and spare parts and ancillary equipment. We will continue to work with Ukraine and enhance the additional systems and capabilities available to support its defense, Kyle said.